Dear friends, in this video I am going to discuss whales, very interesting animal in aquatic environment. What are they? Is it fish or bird? It is a general question for everybody. Whales are large, intelligent aquatic mammals. They breathe air through blowhole into lungs, unlike fish who breathe using gills. They are the only mammals other than manatees, seagulls that live their entire lives in the water, and the only mammal that have adapted to life in the ocean, in the open ocean. Scientific classification: Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammals, subclass Eutheria, order Cetacea. Evolution of whales. Primitive whales evolved during the mid-Eocene period. About 50 million years ago, fossil remains indicated that whales evolved from hoofed land mammals, perhaps the shore-dwelling hyena like Mesonich that returned bit by bit to the sea roughly 50 million years ago. All cetaceans, including whales, dolphins, and porpoise, are descended of land living mammals of the artiodactyl order. Cetaceans include the whales, dolphins, and porpoises. There are over 75 species of cetaceans. Whales belong to the order Cetacea from the Greek word ketos, which means whale. There are two types of whales: balloon whales. It is belonging to Mississippi, and toothed whales, Odontoceti. Toothed whales and balloon whales. What is the difference between these two? Toothed whales, it is predators that use their peg-like teeth to catch the fish, squid, and marine mammals, swallowing them whole. They have one blowhole and use echolocation to hand. There are about 66 species of toothed whales. Then coming to the balloon whales, predators that sieve the tiny crustaceans, small fish, and other tiny organisms from the water with balloon. Balloon is a comb-like structure that filters the balloon whales' food from the water. Balloon whales are larger than the toothed whales and have two blowholes. There are 10 species of balloon whales. Like all mammals, whales breathe air, or warm-blooded, nurse their young with milk from mammary glands, and they have body hair. You can see the ear, eye, balloon plates, throat plates, blowhole on the dorsal side, and flipper for moving in the water, genitalia to discharge its waste, dorsal fin. By using its dorsal fin, it can swim in the water, peduncle, fluke, and median nodes. This is the anatomy of this animal, or external appearance of this animal. Size: the blue whale has been the largest animal that ever lived on earth. The adult is 20 centimeter to 33 meter long, that is 98 feet, very longest animal on the earth or in the water. The smallest whale is the dwarf sperm whale, which is on adult is only 8.5 feet, 2.6 meter long. Special structure: blowholes. Features of the blowhole: Whales breathe via blowholes. Baleen whales have two, and toothed whales have one. These are located on the top of the head, isn't it? You can see by using a blowhole, it taking the water inside and pushing the water outside. Behavior, sleep. A humpback whale breathing. Unlike most animals, whales are conscious breathers. All mammals sleep, but whales cannot afford to become unconscious for long because they may drown. It is thought that only one hemisphere of the whale brain sleep at a time, so they rest but are never completely asleep. Feeding. Whales are generally classed as predators, but their food ranges from microscopic plankton to very large animals. Toothed whales eat fish and squid, which they hunt by use of echolocation. Killer whales sometimes eat other marine mammals, including whales. Baleen whales, such as humpbacks and blues, when feeding in higher latitude, such as southern ocean, eat mostly krill. They imbibe enormous amount of seawater which they expel through their baleen plates. The water is then expelled on, then krill is retained on the plates and then swallowed. Whales do not drink seawater but indirectly extract water from their food by metabolizing fat. Swimming and other water activities. Breathing. Many whales are very acrobatic, even breaching, that is jumping high out of the water and then sloping the water as they come back down. Sometimes they the trill around while breaching. Breaching may be purely for play or may be used to lose skin predators or have some social meaning. Logging. Logging is where when a whale lies still at the surface of the water, resting with its tail hanging down while floating motionless. Part of the head, the dorsal fin or a part of the back or exposed at the surface. Spy hopping. This is another cetacean activity in which the whale packs its head out of the water and turns around, perhaps to take a look around. Some whales stick their tail out of the water into the air, swimming it around and then slap it on the water surface. This is called lap tailing. It makes a very loud sound. The meaning or purpose of the lap tailing is unknown, but may be done as a warning to the rest of the port of danger. Reproduction. Cetaceans give birth to live young which are nourished with milk from their mothers. They don't lay eggs. Cetaceans breed seasonally, usually in warm tropical waters, and females usually have one half every 1 to 3 years. The gestation times range from 9 to 18 months. Whale calves can swim at or soon after birth. Mother whale care for their young for an extended period of time, usually at least a year, feeding them milk and protecting them. Migration. The cetaceans, especially baleen whales, migrate over very long distances each year. They travel sometimes in groups from cold water feeding grounds to warm water breeding grounds. Grey whales make the longest seasonal migration of any of the whales. They travel about 12,500 miles each year. Whale songs. Complex whale songs can be heard for miles under the water. The humpback song can last for 30 minutes. Baleen whales sing low frequency songs. Toothed whales emit whistles and clicks that they use for equal equation. The songs are thought to be used in attracting mates to keep track of offspring and for the toothed whales to locate prey. Whales of the world. Amazing whales. Beluga whale. Beluga or white whale or sea canary. Beluga whales, white one in Russian. Its genus Delphinatus means whale without fins. They have one blowhole. They blow air bubbles just for fun. Their unusual color makes them one of the most familiar. They are social animals. Humpback whales, gentle giant of the sea. Blue whales are the biggest animal ever known to mankind. They are even bigger than the dinosaurs. The blue whale eats zooplankton. The bigger whales even to be caught was a female blue whale. It was 29 meters long and weighed more than 158 tons. Also female, but whales are bigger than the males, and their blood vessels are so big that you could swim in it. Sperm whale. Whales versus human. Human is the main predator for the whales. So human beings are killing the whales for various reasons. So they are real predators of whales. Use of whale oil, soap, shampoo, detergent, cooking fat, lipstick, margarine, ice cream, crayons, paint, polish, lino, lubricants, and dynamite. Use of baleen, riding crops, shoe horns, umbrella ribs, brushes, watch springs, shop shutters, fishing rod, fans, corsets, and crinolines. Use of white tissue, skin bottle laces, bike saddles, handbags, shoes, tendons, tennis rackets, surgical thread, blood, sausages, fertilizer, connected with jelly sweets, photo film, use of whale meat, fertilizer, dog meat, animal feed, only eaten in Iceland, Norway, Korea, and Japan. Save the mammals. Whaling. Please save the whales.